Ladies and gentlemen, I will be showing you how to create outlines effects for your photos and images using Canva. The first thing for me is to change this white page to another color. I go here. Now the color I want is not actually here, so I need to use this plus button. Then in here, I use Ctrl V to paste the hex code of the color that I want. If you want this exact color, the hex code is already in the description, so you can use that for your purposes. The next thing for me now is to bring in the photo that I will be using. So I go to uploads. I've actually uploaded the photo already. Now the photo that I'm using here is completely free to download and absolutely free to use for any purpose. If you want this exact photo, the link to download it is already in the description for you. Please use that for yourself. I select it. Then I go to edit image. Now under edit image, look for the section for shadows. This section for shadows. If you are using this for the first time, it will ask you to connect or activate. Please do that so you can use all these and even more. Under shadow, the one we need is the first one here, glow. So I select glow. Let's wait for it. Then we click the menu button inside glow so we can edit the preferences there. Now, depending on your choice, if you want it as black outline, leave it like that. Take down blur to 0, transparency to 100. Then the size, for me, I will put it as 12. I can drag from here, or I manually put in the numbers 1 and 2. Enter key. Now this is the result depending on your background, but because of my dark background, I need to change the color of the outline here to white or something lighter. Now before I apply on the project, you need to be careful, please. This is a warning. You need to be sure this is what you want before you apply, because you may not be able to come back here or make adjustment or edit it, except you need to undo, then you redo again from the beginning. Now I will show you how to add layers to it. So I need to use this button here to duplicate the page. It's just for me not to lose the first one. So now I pick this as the original photo now. Then go to edit image. Then go to shadows, glow. Then click the menu inside glow. This time I change the color to this red. It's just to give it another layer. So I change it to this red. Blur down to 0, transparency up to 100. Size. The size can actually be anything depending on your creativity or your kind of design. You can decide to drag it. You can decide to drag it way up or way down. But for me, I'll leave it as 8. Then I apply. And here's the result. You may want to check my videos on all this. All these and many more are already in the description below. Please check them out. It will be good if you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. That is, you like this video. And as I always do, thank you for watching.